would now like to invite the person who made this possible, the person who brought us together to make this play happen. Can we please welcome Anya Jain to the stage?
Thank you, Aman. Thank you everyone for coming. I would just like to say a few words and then we have the grand finale. So, while researching for this play, I was finding stories of Akbar and Birbal and I came across this one story that really stayed with me. One day, Akbar asked his court, what makes something truly strong, truly valuable? Some said power, some said intelligence, and some said perfection. But Birbal, he stayed silent and he answered differently. He said, strength is not in standing alone, it is in standing together. And that is exactly what this play has always been about. It was never just a play, it was never just a performance. It was a journey. A journey that didn't begin on this stage. It began in the first idea that maybe something like this could exist. It lived in the early rehearsals when nothing made sense and when everything felt uncertain. It lived in the small victories when one moment finally worked or one expression finally clicked. It lived in the laughter, the frustration, the exhaustion, and the decision to keep going on again and again. And slowly, that journey became this stage today. Because everyone here has put their heart, blood, soul, and sweat into this. And every second you saw on this stage was earned. And this project has always been more than just a performance. It is the smiles that we shared along the way, the moments that brought us closer, the connections that turned individuals into something united. And within all of that, most importantly, there was inclusivity. Not forced, not spoken about, but felt. In the heart, in the way every person mattered, in the way every contribution shaped this victory today, in the way no one was left behind. That is what made this play come alive today in front of you all. This is what made this real. And yes, there were doubts about this idea, about me, about everything. People who questioned it, who didn't believe in it. So tonight, I want to say something to everyone. Thank you. Thank you to everyone who stood by us, supported us, and believed us throughout this journey. And to those who didn't, thank you. Because every doubt became a reason to push further. Every moment of disbelief became the fire that fueled this stage. And standing here now, it is clear that this has always been more than just a play. It is a piece of my heart, a whole lot of my dreams and my passion, my junoon. So tonight, thank you for witnessing this journey, living through this moment with us and making our days special. Because if Akbar were to ask that question again, what makes something or someone truly valuable? The answer was right here on this stage today. The answer is not one person, not one moment, but all of us and everything that we gave to create this. A special thank you to my parents for always supporting me, to Neil auntie and Aman for being with me, to Zara for supporting me so much, my friends and family, and to everyone who believes in this. Everybody has helped me make this dream come alive. Thank you very much. A big round of applause for everyone, please. Clap as loudly as you can to all of you.
Right, people, louder!